About 35 kilometers from the glorious beach town of Gokarna is the Kumta beach. Lying on the coastline of the Arabian Sea, it offers tantalizing beaches with black rocks, old temples, and sprawling greenery. The secluded hilltop view of the Arabian Sea is breathtaking. The place is in the north part of Karnataka and is about 4 hours drive from Goa. We explored this place during the onset of monsoon and loved the feeling of having the beach all to ourselves. From here, we drove all along the coastline to Vannalli village, a scenic beach and a popular fishing spot. Other places to visit nearby include the Yana, Vibhuti Falls and many more. You might want to check out the card above to watch these videos. And with that, our weekend trip draws to an end. So we head back to Bangalore and say farewell to this stunning part of the country until next time. I hope this video has been enjoyable and perhaps even inspired some ideas should you decide to plan a trip to Uttara Kannada. For more on travel stories or to watch another video, click on the links on the screen now or head over to ravindrajoysa.com. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for more travel videos. Cheers.